Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to convert currency on interactive brokers. Now before we start, here you can see that this interface is looking a bit different because I have zoomed in it so that you can see the instructions clearly. Now in order to convert the currency, we need to click on trade. Then on this drop down we need to click on convert currency, and right exact on this panel we're gonna convert the currency. So here you need to choose the currency you have. I have this Canada one, so I'll just select that. Now here you need to choose this one, so let's say choose USD. Now here you need to enter the amount. Let's say I want to convert my currency into $20, so I'll just type that here. And keep in mind, if you want to preview this, you can do that too. For that, just click on preview and you'll see the preview. You can check the rates from clicking on this button too. Now I'm satisfied with the conversion, so I'll just click on submit, and once you do that, your order is submitted, and that's how you can convert currency in interactive brokers. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, consider subscribing my YouTube channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.